everybody else has had many shots standing on stage. Sai, how are you feeling now? The film is out. The judgment is already being passed on Twitter, and the WhatsApps have already started. How are you feeling? We sort of first saw you standing next to Salman sir when you got introduced. This is now your film. How are you feeling?
I was, I
Mic's
was,
on, please. Yeah.
I was very anxious before I
Yeah.
got here,
Yeah.
but everything was so well planned, well done. I was very excited then, and
Yeah.
I'm feeling very excited, very happy after
I was
seeing
looking
this.
at your father. Slowly, the smile widens. Then goes with various reactions. I mean, obviously, fantastic and dream launch. I mean, the first time you actually said yes to this, were you just like saying it's not possible? It's not. Was it like a dream that sort of came true?
I think it's still like a dream.
Yeah.
I still haven't processed this. All of this is still a dream, but it will happen eventually. I love it.
You'll wake up tomorrow in the morning.
Well, there was a dream that was fulfilled on the right side as well. This is how you started. Is it deja vu moment for you happening right now, Sonakshi?
It's exactly that. Hi, everybody. I'm also super excited for this one. I don't know. I'm feeling like my first film is releasing all over again.
Yeah.
It's a very strange feeling.
But you're a Dabang veteran. So this is awesome. I mean, just when you see this, like I say, I like to see the beauty shots, the money shots as we call them, this, the box office masala of Salman sir. Even when you walk in there, just the CT, the movement, it's just awesome. This is what you've always said. I like to mix the other films along with my masala films. This is the quintessential masala film for you, isn't it?
Because I started off as a quintessential Hindi masala film heroine.
Yeah.
I'll always be that, and I love it.
And we're loving this avatar of yours. Salman sir, both the ladies standing next to you, I think this is the, actually we like quite a few avatars, but this avatar I think is just so you, the way you walk, pura style. Now that you see the trailer, can you be critical sometimes of your own? Nahi, mere ko ye pasand nahi aa raha. Are you one of those ones who can go into an editing room and say, remove this part?
See, the third one is should be the biggest of the lot.
Yeah.
And usually sequels don't do as well as the first one.
Yeah.
So we've really worked hard on this one. It's just not only action and entertainment, but it also has a story.
Yeah.
And you will see the film. When you see the film, you'll get to know that there's a lot more than just masala to this film.
So, but one thing I have to say is, from the last time we met for Bharat, you have become super active on Instagram and social media. और आपके सारे training, workouts सब देख करके, it's all very visible on screen. I've never seen you this muscular on screen, so I think it's even the body shot in the end really worked for us. Was there a conscious attempt to make sure that, boss, I'm going to come back with like the full-blooded, muscular avatar of Dabang?
It was always there. It was always there. It was always hidden.
Yeah.
First, I used to be very comfortable without a shirt,
Yeah.
and now I'm comfortable with clothes on. So then they thought कि अभी वो VFX है, नहीं है, वो ये तो फिर अब इंस्टा social media पे क्या VFX है, तो अब डालो दिखाओ.
Yeah, I'm very happy to see. Thoda, we still can't match up. You shouldn't put your workout videos, you put shorter versions of it. Because when you try to do the longer version, problem ho jati hai. Prabhu sir, I'm very happy with that body shot in the end. Was that your idea? Was that script ki demand? Was that Salman sir idea? What was that?
Good evening. No, I think if Salman sir is there, it has to be there.
Yeah. But like you said,
As a fan,
Yeah.
everybody wants to watch, so it has to be there.
I think you started this entire, rebirth of superstardom, with Wanted. That after that, it just went into like a big snowball. It's really amazing that y'all are, working together again. We hear lots of other things also could be happening. Just the relationship that you and Salman Shah share and how you get all those movements of dance and all that. I mean, it's just so amazing to watch that, your process with Salman sir.
What to tell, I don't know.
You always do this. There's lots to otherwise say.
He's basically saying that we are the same level of dancers.
But just generally, how do you all like interact on the set? Are you like the quiet one and is Salman sir the one who like, come and do the shots? Or how do you quietly direct Salman Khan? How do you do that? I mean, we want to hear a direction. Do you just do the isharas or, how does it work?
No, I think I'm different in location, I think.
You're different on the location.
I don't know.
Is he, sir? Is he like a very authoritative director on set?
No, he's very chilled out.
Yeah.
So we were doing Wanted together, and he used to come and show me a step, and I used to do the step exactly like the way he showed it to me. Monitor, he said, sir, one more, sir. I said, did it properly, like you showed exactly. No, sir, huge difference, sir. What I'm showing you doing something else only, sir. That's a scene. I do take one more, 25th take, 27th, 38th take. Sir, good only, sir. It's okay only, sir.
We didn't take that much time to shoot this film. Arbaz sir, are you happy? I know that, different versions of you. Today there's a producer's version. I've been meeting a lot in the other versions also of late. But here, little nerves at all before?
Good evening, everyone. Actually, this role I played in the first one, so
Yeah.
I was the producer, and then I had to direct the second one.
Yeah.
And this time, I'm really, really happy that Prabhu sir has taken the reins, and he's done a fantastic job. And I don't think there could have been a better person to take this franchise forward. And we're really, really excited, and we've got something really exciting for you guys. So they're going to have a good time.
Were you a lot on the set?
Yeah, I was as an actor actually mainly because this time around I felt that Prabhu sir was total in control. He knew everything what he was doing. Salman, in fact, let me just say, this time around the entire creative decisions and whatever the film has gone to, from the story to even the casting and even the selection of the director, has been Salman Khan. So
ये अगर
No.
गॉड
That-
फॉरबिड कुछ हो जाए तो ये इन्होंने क्लियर कर दिया कि इसके वजह से गई पिक्चर.
No, I'm appreciating. I'm saying that he's taken a lot more interest.
Put it on to me only.
No, this film's going to do very well. He's taken a lot more interest. Like last time, in the first two, he was like, he was busy more as an actor. He kind of came on the sets, and that's the only time. But he's really contributed and spent a lot of time on the script with the director, with the music, and all of that. This time around, a lot more.
Actually, this is a lot more also, dubbed in 3 languages also. This is literally a pan-India release also. I think that itself, Salman sir's partner has been there quite a bit, for a long time. I think we're utilizing that a lot now also. Was that also your decision? And, then you all sat and said, it's about time to unleash it all over India now.
So I've written the script.
Yeah.
So I wanted all the critics to. This film is for the critics. कि वाह क्या स्टोरी लिखी है. अगर पिटेंगे तो सिर्फ मुंबई में नहीं, चेन्नई में भी, बैंगलोर में भी, तेलुगु, तमिल, कन्नड़, देश भर में पिटेंगे. और हम मारेंगे तो देश भर में मारेंगे.
क्रिटिक्स से पिटते हैं तो पिक्चर सुपर डुपर
देखो
ब्लॉकबस्टर
मैं बोल सकता हूँ, तुम मत बोलो.
Yeah, I've also had the experience, yeah.
But Prabhu sir, I think it's a good move. And even Nikhil, you also, I know, are very thinking as, the markets and numbers. You're very into your numbers and all. Now, when you do the mathematics for Pan India, I think it was about time that we had like this Pan India release with Salman sir. Wouldn't you think so?
Yeah, it should have happened long time ago.
Yeah.
And numbers and all come to a naught when you're working.
अरे we
with
did
Salman
it
Khan.
long time ago, Nikhil. We did Prem Ratan, we did quite a few films. लेकिन वहाँ से हमारा collection आता 1 crore, 1.5 crore, like that. But now this is that genre of film that on heroism, which, the whole South is filled with that.
Yeah.
Now if their films can come and we accept their films here like Bahubali and KGF, and they're huge hits here.
Even Narasimha Reddy did very well
Yeah,
recently. Yeah.
So all these films, so I think, they're also open for our films to release there and do as well as their films have done here.
I think it makes good sense. And once again, you come in at the right time, sir. You've got a very, very busy 2019 and 2020. Just to be associated once again with Dabangg, I think this is like one of those short. Trailer देखने में तो short success बोल सकते हैं.
Every time excited to be associated with Salman bhai.
Yeah.
And this is my third film. I mean,
पैसे भी तो दिया करो.
पैसे सर पैसे सारे दे दिए सर. सब दे दिए.
और रॉयल्टी वगैरह.
वो भी भिजवा देता हूँ. But superb music, मैंने गाने सारे देखे हैं.
जी.
Especially the song मुन्ना बदनाम जो that's mind blowing. So it's superb music. So I'm very, very excited about the music.
You actually have a ear for music which the others keep rejecting. And I've heard so many stories, with a number of boys that have done music. And they become super hits also eventually. Do you really sit for a long period of time, or is it now like अगर पहली बार में yes हो गया तो yes हो
ये
गया?
म्यूजिक तो भाई ने बनाया है. मेरे को इन्होंने जस्ट सुनाया तो all songs are superb.
So everything is again on you, sir.
So you know what happened? So one day I called Arbaz in the night. I said, come home. I've got a tod for Munni Badnaam hui. So he came running. We've been looking for this song for the longest time, and you got it. He said, yeah, make me hear. I said, Munna Badnaam Hua. He said, you lost the plot. You've woken me up for this.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm open out to the entire press. Go ahead. I think you answered quite a bit. Yeah. Yeah. Acha, mics. Yeah. We'll just pass the mic. Huh? Until then, we can get the chairs up. एक ही mic है क्या? हर्ष? Okay. शुरुआत है तुझसे, तो good luck, huh? हाँ, मैं एक second. I'll just get the chairs up. Am I getting the chairs or no? Because one doesn't make sense. No. Yeah. So remove the chairs. Go ahead. चल.
भूषण जी आप
Yeah.
आपके लेफ्ट में जैसा कि आपने अभी बताया कि मुन्ना बदनाम ये गाना आने वाला है, हर किसी को इंतजार है क्योंकि मुन्नी बदनाम ये गाना बहुत ही हिट हुआ था एंड नाउ अब मुन्ना, सो कुछ प्रेशर है आपके ऊपर क्योंकि टी सीरीज के सारे गाने हिट होते हैं, सो इस मुन्ना बदनाम को लेकर कुछ प्रेशर है आपके ऊपर?
पहले से ही ब्लॉकबस्टर है. आप जब विजुअल देखेंगे और जिस तरीके से गाना भाई ने करवाया, इट्स वेरी वेरी गुड.
और अलग किस्म का सेम गाना थोड़ी छापे हम लोग, अलग गाना बनाया. सिर्फ वो मुन्नी बदनाम का मुन्ना बदनाम हुआ, गाना अलग है, टोटली अलग गाना है.
सही जी, गुड लक आपके करियर के लिए. आपका फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है अगर आप हमें बता सकें?
यहीं पे खड़े हैं, बाजू में.
ये यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, वहाँ पे बैठे हैं.
वहाँ पे भी बैठे हैं, हाँ करेक्ट.
और एक्ट्रेस भी वहाँ पे बैठी है, माँ.
Okay, just pass the mic. Who else? Yeah. Can we have the mic? Go right there.
प्रभु वनकम.
इनसे भी तो पूछो इनका फेवरेट एक्टर कौन है. खामोश.
எப்படி இருக்குறீங்க பிரபு? எப்படி இருக்குறீங்க? எப்படி இருக்குறீங்க? சௌக்கியமா தானே?
நல்லா இருக்கு.
நல்லா இருக்கு. Okay. Who has dubbed Salman's character in Tamil, Telugu? யார் டப் பண்ணாங்க?
Still going on, but I forgot the name.
He's very good. In fact, I heard a little bit of the dubbing, so I was going to dub it.
You were going to dub it?
I was going to dub all the 3 languages. So I went to the dubbing studio to dub it, and I said one line in Tamil. So the person who was doing my dubbing said, "Very good, sir." Okay. Sir again. So one more. No. Okay, sir. Okay. So I said, ये तो language बहुत simple है यार. Then it went to him to check. He said, "Sir, what language you dubbed in?" I said, "But your guy saying okay. Now what to do? I'll do again." He said, "No, sir. You're sounding like some foreign language only. I am from here. I'm not understanding you." So then we got a voice that was very close to mine to dub the Tamil, then the Telugu and the Kannada version.
Salman, you like dubbing on your face? You like dubbing on your face?
I like what?
Dubbing on your face. मतलब
I
किसी और
don't
ने
mind
dubbing
it if I can have someone singing for me on my face, so then dubbing. I just don't like people in my face.
सलमान, आपसे एक सवाल है. अभी बात हुई स्क्रिप्ट की और हीरोइज्म की, तो अगर बात करें टाइगर की और चुलबुल पांडे की, तो दोनों भले एक अंडरकवर कॉप है, एक पुलिस वाला है, लेकिन दोनों जाबाज हैं, दोनों देश के लिए करते हैं. तो स्क्रिप्ट वाइज और एक्शन वाइज ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट कौन है, चुलबुल पांडे या फिर टाइगर?
ये सवाल मैं नहीं आपको दूंगा. ये सवाल आपको मिलेगा मेरे घुटनों से, मेरे पीठ से, मेरी गर्दन से, मेरे कोनियों से, मेरी पसलियों से. ये जवाब आपको वो देंगे कि दोनों ही बड़े कठिन हैं.
One second, I'm just giving, yeah.
Hi, Sai Tuna from Webdunia. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
आपको देख के अच्छा लग रहा है. You're looking very pretty.
Thank you.
क्या खाया आपने?
Okay, आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी, इसके पहले जब भी सलमान जी से आप मिलते थे, वो आपके घर पे सपोज आते थे आप, तो क्या नाम से पुकारते थे और क्या अब आपने उनको सलमान सर बोलना शुरू कर दिया है?
मैं हमेशा से ही सलमान सर ही बुलाती थी उन्हें।
और कितना कुछ चेंज आता है क्या जब आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एज एन एक्ट्रेस आती हैं तो रिलेशनशिप में सीनियर्स के साथ जो आपके पिताजी के दोस्त रहे हैं?
जी इतना चेंज नहीं आता क्योंकि मैं बचपन से उन्हें जानती हूँ, तो हमारा रैपो वही है, लेकिन चेंज तो नहीं आता।
हाय सलमान, यो आपके राइट में सोहेल, हाय, कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू, अरबाज एंड द एंटायर टीम। द ट्रेलर इज सुपर्ब, लाइक एक्सीलेंट।
You liked it?
या डेफिनेटली।
You guys like the trailer?
या
हाँ?
कोई सवाल?
Response दिए नहीं आप लोगों ने?
सलमान, जैसे आपने कहा कि अरबाज नर्वस होते हैं, डेफिनेटली एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, एज एन एक्टर, लाइक थोड़े नर्वस थे दबंग के वक्त, बट आप भी इतने साल हो गए, पीपल आर रियली वेरी ईगरली वेटिंग फॉर दिस फिल्म, तो नर्वसनेस आपको भी होता है, और या आप भी कितने ईगर है उस फिल्म को लेकर?
I'm really excited for this film. I'm waiting for the 20th of December to come. And then more than that also के the fans हमारी इस फिल्म को कितना appreciate करेगी. That is the most important thing कि बहुत मेहनत गई इस फिल्म के अंदर, बल्कि जितनी मेहनत टाइगर में गई थी और एक था और जितनी भी जो पहली फिल्म में जो मैंने की हैं उससे 10 गुना ज़्यादा मेहनत इस फिल्म में गई है। All from the story to production to direction to action to songs to the whole creative journey to everything is a lot of work that's gone in this film.
सोनाक्षी, you are looking very beautiful. Yeah. सोनाक्षी,
Let's
आपका एक
just-
डायलॉग था
one more.
पहली फिल्म में, थप्पड़ से डर नहीं लगता, प्यार से डर लगता, तो इस तरह का कोई डायलॉग इस बार भी हमें कुछ एक सिग्नेचर जो स्टाइल है आपकी?
वो जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तब आपको पता चलेगा, बट जब आप फिल्म एक नहीं काफ़ी है, बट स्प्रेड आउट थ्रू द फिल्म। मेरी कंप्लेंट यही थी अरबाज भाई से और प्रभु सर किससे कि ट्रेलर में नहीं डाला इस बार बट आप फिल्म में देख लेंगे।
हाय सलमान, सरिता सिंह हियर। आपको याद होगा जब दबंग नहीं आई थी, ऑन अ लाइटर नोट दिस क्वेश्चन इज, तब मैंने आपसे कहा था कि देश भर में जितने यूपी के पांडे, पाठक, मिश्रा, द्विवेदी, चतुर्वेदी,
ये तो
सब लोग
यहीं पे खड़े हैं, हमारे साथ ही खड़े हैं।
वो सारे लोग जो हैं वो अपनी बेटियों की शादी चुलबुल पांडे के लिए रिश्ता भेजना चाहते हैं, और मुझे अब तक आपको वो एक्सप्रेशन याद है जो एक्सप्रेशन आपने दिया था।
चुलबुल पांडे की तो शादी हो चुकी है और उनकी सुपर सेक्सी मिसेस यहीं पे खड़ी हैं उनके बगल में,
तो
जो कि अभी भी उनकी हबीबी हैं।
तो अब बाकी लोगों को, पंडितों को क्या जवाब देंगे आप, जो अपनी बेटियों का रिश्ता भेज रहे थे, उनके लिए क्या जवाब है आपके पास?
आप मुझे फॉरवर्ड कीजिए वो रिश्ते।
चुलबुल पांडे तो गए भाई।
अब रज्जू
सलमान खान अवेलेबल है।
थैंक यू।
Straight in the middle.
स्टोरी तो हमने काफ़ी टाइम पहले ही लॉक कर दी थी, बट आई वाज डूइंग सम अदर फिल्म्स एंड देन वी वांटेड टू रियली क्रैक दिस वन, और हमको हीरोइन नहीं मिल रही थी। हीरोइन हमारी थोड़ी छोटी थी, तो वी वेटेड फॉर हर टू ग्रो अप।
सलमान जी आपके लेफ्ट में, सलमान जी
मेरे लेफ्ट में सही, मेरे राइट में सोनाक्षी है।
ओके, सो आपके ठीक सामने थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट। सलमान जी, आपके जो सबसे करीबी बॉडीगार्ड हैं शेरा जी, हाल ही में उन्होंने शिवसेना पार्टी ज्वाइन
जय महाराष्ट्र।
हाँ, सो आपके चुलबुल पांडे के अंदाज में कुछ आप विश करना चाहेंगे शेरा जी को, अगर आप, क्योंकि
हाँ मैं ऑलरेडी कर चुका विश।
हमारे वीडियो के लिए थोड़ा सा वो फुटेज मिल जाएगा, आपको पता है?
वो मैं आपको क्लिपिंग बना के भेज दूंगा, आप ही को क्यों, सबको।
Rajjo is always kicking ass, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. But Rajjo है दबंग में क्योंकि वो दबंग खुद है. So don't worry, you'll see me doing
So
lots
there's
of
a
stuff.
sequel of Akira coming. It's called Fakira.
Salman. Hello.
You're making it?
Hello. Salman here. Salman आपके left में सामने. Salman with Dabang 3 also आपने.
हाँ कहिए. Ladies first, bye.
और इंडस्ट्री में कम से कम गिनने जाए तो शायद 50 लोगों को आपने इंट्रोड्यूस किया होगा, तो आप फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की मदर टेरेसा हैं क्योंकि आप बहुत लोगों का दुख उठा रहे हैं, बहुत लोगों का घर बसा रहे हैं
बोलिए, बताइए इन्हें.
ये काफ़ी लोग मतलब जब भी कुछ भी ऑन करो तो आप मदर टेरेसा के रूप में सामने होते हैं
I think Godfather will choose as a better name, है ना, rather than Mother Teresa. Sir.
नहीं क्योंकि सबका दुख उठा रहे हैं ना, लाइक कितने लोग वीडियोस डालते हैं कि हमारा घर बसा दिया.
ये सवाल ये जो आपने पूछा है ये खुद में जवाब था और ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं. इससे बेटर सवाल मैं आपको देता हूँ इस वक्त, जिससे मैं बहुत इरिटेट होता हूँ. मैं आपको देता हूँ ये सवाल छोड़िए, ये पूछिए आप मुझसे कि आप शादी कब करोगे.
अच्छा पहले आप इसका जवाब दे दीजिए प्लीज. हेलो, पहले इसका जवाब दे दीजिए.
ना मुझसे शादी करोगे क्या?
अच्छा आपका ना हुक स्टेप है, लाइक सलमान जी आपका एक बहुत अच्छा फेमस स्टेप रहा है, हमका पीनी है, तो इसमें कोई नया स्टेप देखने को मिलेगा?
अभी टाइम है उसके लिए.
अभी इतनी जल्दी पीनी है आपको.
Salman, here on your left.
Thank
Salman,
you very
Dabang
much.
3 के साथ आपने recently you announced your next film also. So was there any special reason that you announced it right with Dabang 3 or was it just to block your favorite?
No. So we if we'd have announced Radhe on its own, फिर वो Dabang suddenly gone Radhe, and Dabang would have be थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाता है. तो Dabang से स्टार्ट किया और राधे पर हमने जाके फिनिश किया. The name was actually in Tere Naam, and then after that we used the same name in Wanted, but this is a completely different film altogether. It's got nothing to do with Wanted. अगर आप बोलना चाहें, अगर वो फॉर्मेट में जाएं, तो ये Wanted का बाप है.
Hi, Prerna here from South.
All right, I'm going to finish with one question. Yeah, right there.
माझा प्रश्न, my question goes to Sai. Sai, मला मराठी.
वसई नहीं, सही. फक्त सही.
सई, तुला प्रश्न आहे की आता सलमान सोबतचा अनुभव तू सांगितला असशीलच, मात्र सलमान सोबत मराठी सिनेमा करायला आवडेल का तुला?
और केलंय मी.
सई सोबत त्यांनी केलंय, मला तर खूप आवडेल करायला.
आणि दबंग मध्ये कशा पद्धतीचा डायलॉग्स असतील तुझे?
मराठीत कोणते पण नाही आहेत.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you.
आखिरी सवाल मेरा.
We were fighting every day.
First one was Abhinav. Second one I directed. There had been a long gap. There was a lot happening around the time that so we were working on something. We wanted a fresh look, and it helps the franchise, So when you get somebody new on to look at it differently, because you continuously on the project, you lose some kind of perspective. Who better than Prabhu sir to come on board and to take it to a next level, and he has really done that. This film is like way ahead in terms of its mounting and presentation and everything. So hats off to Prabhu sir. Thank you very much for taking Dabang, our very loved franchise, and taking it to the next level.
And also he's become really busy now. He's working more than all of us are working.
Yeah.
We had date problems with Makki's character. Makki kahin south mein hai. Makki is doing a film there in Kerala. Makki is doing some show. Makki is everywhere.
Web series भी चल रही है.
Web series भी चल रही है. इनका वो show भी चल रहा है.
I've actually met him, sir, more often than I've met you in this year. I've been meeting Arbaz almost every month or so. Very, very busy.
Arbaz, your character is an extension of Makki.
Yeah, it is Makki like every other character. No? It's
the same family's gone
ahead.
ahead.
Same characters. The same film is being carried forward.